Hey guys, so for today's look, I did this super easy spring makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please give the video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe while you're down there. Also, click the little bell button to be notified whenever I post. Also, while you're down there, might as well check out my social media, my Snapchat, my Instagram, and check it out. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. So first I'm going to start on my face, and for primer I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. Now I'm going to take the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Custard. I'm going to apply this under my eyes and on some of my pimples. And I'm just going to blend it out with my finger. For foundation, I'm going to use the Giorgio Armani Power Fabric in number 4. So now I'm going to start on my eyes, and the first eyeshadow I'm going to use is ABH Eyeshadow in Fawn. I'm just going to apply this to my outer corner and into my crease. I'm going to run this to my lower lash line. And then for my lid shade, I'm going to use MAC Eyeshadow in Honey Lust. For mascara, I'm going to apply the Estee Lauder Sumptuous Extreme Mascara. So it just depends on the day and if I want to wear lashes or not. Today I will be wearing lashes, and I'm going to wear the Huda Beauty Samantha Lash. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and to fill them in I'm going to use the Anastasia Brow Definer in Ebony. Now I'm going to cream contour, and I'm going to take the ABH Cream Contour Kit in Dark, and I'm going to take Chocolate. I'm going to take this Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy Sculpting Blush Palette, and I'm going to take this bronzer. I'm going to go into the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to take this middle contour shade, and I'm going to contour my cheeks a little bit. Now I'm going to take these two lighter shades and set under my eyes. For blush, I'm going to use the Estee Edit The Barest Blush in Pure Pink. Then for highlight, I'm going to use the Dose of Colors Desi Times Katie collab in Fuego. And then for lips, I'm going to use the Tarte Lip Paint in TBT. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! No, wait. Hold on. Oh my god.